Hello, I've been going through hair loss for the last year or so, and this is not my real hair. This is actually a hair topper from UniWigs. This is my hair right now. I still do have a lot of fullness in the back, as you will see, but my hairline is what's been struggling. Here is my hairline where I've lost all of this density here in the front. Over the past year or so, I've lost probably like 25% of my density, and this is what we're working with. So I want to show you something really exciting that is seriously a game changer if you're going through hair loss, or honestly, if you just want more volume, more density, or want to change up your look. This is the Evelyn hairline topper from UniWigs. This one is in the 10-inch length. This is in the color 211. It is espresso brown, and the color match is really honestly perfect. It has this gorgeous lace. It makes it go on so seamlessly. The front has lace that is scalloped so that it blends in seamlessly with your hairline. And then it has 2 silicone panels to prevent slipping throughout the day. These are really nice because it makes it so you don't need clips. Another really cool feature of this hair topper is this halo wire. This just goes around your head and it helps secure this so it stays in place all day. You could use it while you work out, while you run errands, anything that you need. A date night, yes. So it has these little adjustable beads and straps so that you can tighten it or loosen it for your needs. I'm gonna grab the halo wire and I'm just gonna put it over my head. And then I am going to just slide it on. All right, now that it's on and it is properly adjusted, I am going to just put my natural hair together with the hair topper so that it blends. Here's what it looks like just down, but this is not the only hairstyle you can do, by the way. I'll show you some of my faves. So I personally love half up, half downs, and they're also very trendy right now. So if I wanted to do a little half up look, I could do that as well, and this works amazing for that. I also, like you saw earlier, had my hair completely up in a ponytail, and this works great for that as well. You also don't have to have the bangs down if you don't want to. If you prefer, I don't know, little pinned back styles or things like that, you can easily pin this back as well, and it looks so natural. I really don't think anybody would ever know that I was wearing a hair topper, especially if you're just gonna wear it down for the day. You do not need anything special. You don't need any glue. You don't need any weird like hairsprays or anything, because it looks amazing on its own. Don't let hair loss stop you from doing the things you want to do. Don't let hair loss ruin your confidence, especially when there are things out there like this hair topper made to help you and made to help you get your confidence back.